Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any new content. Consider supporting our work directly on Patreon to get early access to all new encounters. And as always, enjoy the video. On December 22nd, 2022, officers with the Houston Police Department were notified of a stolen vehicle in the area. Officer Serrano identified the vehicle and one of its occupants. An investigatory detention was initiated, and officers would come to find methamphetamine on the suspect.
What I do, sir?
That vehicle's listed stolen.
Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know. Okay, I'm not going anywhere, sir.
Relax, you're okay.
Jesus Christ.
There's somebody else in the car?
No, there's nobody. Ow, please,
Relax,
sir.
relax, you're okay.
Oh,
Relax.
God, come on, no.
You're okay.
Why?
Hey, we got that stolen car.
I don't know, it's not mine.
Then why are you in it?
We're in West Houston, in the parking lot on the southwest corner. We have one female detained. We're under control.
You have anything on you? Do you have anything on you? What do you have on you?
Right as we were passing by with a female inside digging around.
I won't say if she has anything on her.
Hey, Anna, could you come do a female search for us? Do you have any weapons, knives, guns?
Let me put my gloves on.
I got some too. Where'd you get this car, ma'am? Ma'am? Hello?
No, I won't do that.
Relax. You're okay. It's not the end of the world. Relax. Don't be banging your head. Do that.
This one.
Here. Relax. Are you okay?
No.
What's wrong? Oh. Okay, big old thing of meth in your pocket. That would be why, huh? Just loose candy. Okay. Get that penny for you. I don't see anything else obvious. We'll wait for Anna for the rest.
Yeah.
I don't have anything else. You already got it.
Can't park there.
I don't know whose car that is, man.
Where'd you get it?
I didn't get it. It's not mine.
Whose is it? Why were you driving it?
I wasn't driving it.
All your stuff is in there.
That's not my stuff.
You're inside of it when we pulled up.
I know, but that's not my stuff.
Then whose stuff is it? What's that?
I have seen them.
Yeah, then go around. Take a breath, man.
I can't breathe.
Just breathe.
I can't breathe. Oh, I can't breathe.
You want the firefighters to come check you out? Are you just stressed?
No, I can't breathe.
How can I help you?
I don't know. Fucking get it, give him.
Hey, relax. Hey, maybe we can get camera footage.
Here?
Yeah. What's that financial crimes unit? What's your name, ma'am? You're gonna have to identify yourself. Or you're gonna get another charge.
Oh God, please, Lord Jesus Christ, man.
Step on out for a second. We're gonna have a female search you. We need to double check.
Anything you brought? Anything?
No.
Need some gloves?
I don't have any.
I don't know those fancy gloves. Take a breath. You lost them?
Yeah. I don't know where they are. They're in the shop somewhere, I think.
Just gonna look up real quick.
Yeah.
Can you
Spread your feet apart for me. Oh, shit. I need to grab these patrol guys real quick. Hey! Did any of y'all see her driving? Did y'all see her driving?
That she was driving this car?
Yeah.
She pulled it up. I saw her.
You saw her
I
driving?
was parked like this.
That would be perfect. Could I just get your information for our report? Be perfect. So we just need someone who saw her driving. 87. Perfect. And do you have like a business phone number?
Yeah, so we're State Patrol Services,
State Patrol Services.
and we are the security guard for the whole shopping center here.
Perfect. So that car is actually stolen,
Okay.
and she had a big old rock of meth in her pocket.
Oh, good.
Yeah, so she's going to go to jail. Yeah, and we're going to recover that vehicle.
Yeah, no, I definitely did see her. So,
Perfect.
yes.
And she was driving that
She was
blue
driving
car right
that blue
there?
car, yes.
Perfect. Okay, do you have like a business phone number? Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Have a
Thank you.
blessed day.
Thank you, guys. Hey, I saw her driving.
Huh?
I saw her driving
They saw her?
in that car. Okay.
Oh, okay.
The other one's inside.
Allegedly.
Yeah, she said she brought her.
I'm not lying. I brought somebody to the doctor.
What's she look like? What's she wearing so I can go talk to her?
You know her?
Exactly.
I don't want to get her in trouble.
Ah, well
It's her
then
fault.
it's on you.
I mean, she was not driving or nothing. I brought her to the doctor.
What doctor did you take her to? Which one?
I mean, she's
Because we're going to go look at the cameras.
She's pregnant. She's pregnant.
Okay, well, we're going to go look at the cameras and make sure you're telling me the truth. Are you telling me the truth?
I am telling you the truth. I'm not lying.
Okay, what's she look like? What's her name? Sounds to me like you're lying.
I'm not lying.
Well, then tell me. So I can verify what you're saying.
I mean, what good is that gonna do? Like, what good is that gonna do? Like, what?
I can verify that you're bringing somebody here, that somebody else was driving the car instead of you.
She said she was driving.
She was not driving. And they told you that I was driving. Didn't they just tell you that I was
Yeah,
driving?
they did.
Last name.
My last name, I'm not gonna lie. I never lie. My last name is CER.
Who are all these cards?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, sir.
They're with your property.
Well, yeah, they're my property because I found that wallet.
You found this wallet,
Yes, sir.
and you thought it was okay to keep all their credit cards?
Well,
What's your date of birth?
to be honest, I was gonna ask about them.
Your date of birth?
They're not mine. I just found that wallet.
I think the APHIS is in here. That could be her.
That's me.
Blue eyes? Do you have contacts on?
You do not have blue eyes.
Did
Who said I have blue
the
eyes?
last time you got arrested?
Huh?
Did you have contacts on last time you got arrested?
It says brown on this
Yeah.
thing, but
This one says.
picture's definitely...
That's
I
me.
think other have brown.
Oh,
Is that her?
That's me.
I think it is her.
It's me.
I'm gonna fingerprint her, though.
It's me.
I'm gonna fingerprint you still. Thank you, thank you. Hey, the goods?
Yeah, I'm gonna go grab it.
Thank you. They face the other way. Push your hands this way.
Oh. Ow.
Okay, you're pulling them apart, which is hurting you.
I can't help
You just gotta relax. Gotta relax your hands. There's a ton of room in these handcuffs. I can fit multiple fingers in there. You just gotta stop pulling them apart.
Thank you.
These?
Yes, sir.
Alright. You lying about your name or not?
That's me.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you enjoyed today's video and want to see more, head over to our Patreon and become a member for exclusive content. Or check out the suggested videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next Raw Police Encounter.